Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the brightness in the settings. So I recommend you guys do that manually. So go over to the settings. Now in the settings, what you guys want to do is go over into the display. Now here you want to disable adaptive brightness so it doesn't change automatically. That's what I meant by saying manually. Here you can adjust it, it's totally up to you. I recommend using around 25 to 40 max. And now what you guys want to do is go over and download the screen dimming app from the Google Play Store. So open up the Play Store, let's quickly use the password here, so I'll get back to you in a second. So we are in the Google Play, let's click search and let's search for screen dimmer and OLED saver. Now let's ignore the sponsored apps, let's go over. This is the app, this is the icon for it. Now let's click install and it should install in less than 10 seconds. As you guys can see, let's just open it and now let's grant permissions. So the first one is to modify system settings, so to change our brightness. Now accessibility is for whenever you use an overlay, so for like a keyboard, or whenever you simply rotate your screen. Now, the last one is to grant the notifications, pretty self-explanatory. And here we can just click on enable service. We can change a lot of settings here. As you guys can see, it definitely works. So this app won't send us any notifications. It will just pop up as a notification here, so you can just click it and adjust it. And that's basically how it works. You can also, of course, disable it, but then remember to change your brightness here. And now, after that, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over to the settings and leave the display, scroll down to system, and here go to system update. Now click check for updates, and all you need is Wi-Fi for this. Now my software is updated, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.